Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we have the switches for the turn signal right here, cruise control and windshield wipers on BMW 3 Series guys. This one will be 90, 91, 92, 93. Ours is a 2006, but I think that procedure might apply to the whole generation or early generation before the facelift. Now, if you're trying to replace one of those switches, most of the times if you want to buy a new one, you cannot do that. If you have the newer style after the facelift, you can, but before that, everything comes together with the steering angle sensor and the switches itself, and that is one expensive assembly. That's our assembly that we have. We installed it a few days ago, so you can check it out where we got it from in the description of the video below. Now let me show you. If you need to replace a single switch, it's doable. It is, but it's a complicated thing, and I'm going to just walk you through the thing today. We'll disconnect the cork spring here. This is your cork spring, and I'll show you how complicated that is. Now, like this switch right here, all you have to do to remove it, you have two clips holding, two catches, one here, one over there, and one towards the back side. This on the back, you need to pull it out. The other ones, you need to pull them towards the outside as well. So once you do that guys, you'll be able to pull the switch out, but there is a wire, and that wire is almost impossible to disconnect. And let me show you now. Right here we have a cover. This is the cover. Those are the wires for the switches. They go inside the steering angle sensor, so really complicated deal now. And the only way to disconnect those is to go ahead, remove that screw right here. And I'm not going to walk you through the whole process because I don't want to risk damaging that brand new angle sensor. So now we need to open those clips here. And pull it out. Now inside, this is your steering wheel angle sensor right here. Now if you need to remove one of the switches only, you will need to get that round circuit loose. And how you do that? From the back side there is clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips that you need to squish towards each other on the inside. Procedure is not complicated, and it will get loose. After that you have 3 screws that you need to pull out, and you'll be able to pull everything out and disconnect your switch. But again, I don't want to risk mine. But that's the procedure guys, that's how it can be done. So we've done it in the past, but this one is brand new, so we don't want to screw it up. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.